only room for about 240 people to see the play. But by this point, in 1953, so many people had heard about Beckett, had heard about this play. The play had actually been published. This is a typical practice at the time where playwrights would publish plays and then they'd have a production, whereas today it was usually production first and then publication. Many people had read Thomas Cromwell's Otto and been really excited about it. So